I bet if you were to go into your kitchen right now, open one of your drawers, it'd be full of plastic carrier bags. I know that that's the case in my house. We're all guilty of going to the shop, spending money unnecessarily on plastic bags because we've forgotten to take a bag with us or we've left it in the back of the car. So that's why we've created the LobsterBag. LobsterBag is a British designed, hard-wearing yet stylish alternative to the current Bag for Life options available on the market. It's small, stylish, compact and very durable. During the creative processes of designing LobsterBag, we wanted to try and find a material that was light, that could be compact, but most importantly, extremely durable. So we decided to use a high-end ripstop parachute material to achieve this criteria. Through the design process of the bag, we realised that the handles on the original design was inhibiting our overall bag capacity. So we decided to lose the handles and incorporate the key fob to become the handle for our LobsterBag. So over the past 12 months, I've been using my LobsterBag on a day-to-day basis, and actually it's surpassed our own expectations. What we've found, it can not only carry more weight, but actually, in terms of mass, can hold quite a considerable amount for its size. The bag can hold up to 8 kilograms worth of weight. It's also expected by 2050 to be more plastic in the oceans than fish. So by getting on board with LobsterBag and owning a Bag for Life product, it doesn't just save your bank account and space in your drawers at home, but also it does your bit for the environment as well. So why the name LobsterBag? Well, not only are lobsters known for their longevity, their resilience and the hard-wearing exoskeletons, they're also saltwater creatures, so the environmental factors have a huge impact on them. Also, it's rumoured that lobsters do mate for life. You'll notice that we've incorporated elements of the lobster in the design of the product, so you see the name just makes perfect sense to us. So now we've got our product and we're ready to order en masse. We're here on Kickstarter to ask for your help of investment for us to fulfil our first order quota obligation. Without your help, unfortunately, the lobster story ends here. Any small donation that you make will go a long way to helping us get to where we need to be and to bring the LobsterBag alive. Thank you for watching.